Hello beautiful people, do you need that simple beautiful hairstyle that you can get done in less than 20 minutes? Then watch this video to the end. My name is Belinder, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this quick simple hairstyle done in less than 20 minutes. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So start by making a side part on the hair like I've done in this video, and then we're going to connect the end of the side part to the ear, just like so. And then we're going to put this section out of the way. You can use a rubber band to just pack it or just pin it out of the way, or you can just tie it the way I've done with mine. So we're going to repeat the same thing with this side. Connect it from the pattern down to the ear also, and we're going to put this section also out of the way. You can use a rubber band to just tie it out of the way, and then the back we're going to section that part also out of the way so we can be able to work with the front section. So now the back section is properly pinned out of the way. Now I can work with the front section. So you're just going to detangle it with your comb if it's necessary, and then we're going to start twisting it outside in. When I say we are twisting outside in, I mean I'm taking the hair from the front of my hair and I'm just twisting it to the back. I hope that makes sense. Just watch the video closely, you're going to get it. So now you're just going to twist out the ends like this. Twist it firmly so it doesn't unravel, and when you're done twisting that section, you're going to move on to the next section. Detangle your hair using a wide tooth comb if it's necessary, and then we're going to start twisting. And the method I'm using in this twisting is the twisting outside in method. If it does not make sense to you, just watch the video closely. It's going to make sense to you. You are going to get it. Like I'm taking my hair from outside, like the front of my hair, and then I'm twisting it back to the back of the hair. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing, grabbing some hair from the front and just taking it to the back like so, until I finish doing all the hair at the front. And then I'm going to twist out the ends also, because this is what is going to lock this twist so it doesn't unravel. We twist it firmly until you get to the ends like so. So now all the front is done. We can now go to the back section. I'm just going to go in with my white tooth comb again to detangle the hair. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel. Share this video, I would really appreciate that. So back to the tutorial. When we are done detangling the back hair like this, you just want to pack everything loosely to the back. If your hair is long enough, you just want to twist the end, braid the ends like I've done in this video, so we can just tuck it away neatly somewhere at the back. Or you can use a rubber band to tie the end loosely also, and just use a pin to pin it away loosely at the back. Why I'm emphasizing on the loosely, so that we can have like an illusion fullness of the hair, to make the hair look fuller than it actually is. That's why you see me like going in, pushing the hair here and there to make it look fuller. So when that is done, we're going to connect these two twisting ends. We're going to connect them together at the back. I'm just going to tie them together and then pull it down a little. If your hair is not long enough to tie, you can just add some extension to the twist. When you twist it, add some extension to it so it can be able to get to the back. So you tie it like this. So that's it, guys. Don't you love this pretty simple quick hairstyle? Please give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.